Welcome to Uniting the Cults. This video is to talk about the live stream event happening on June 14th, 12 p.m. Central Time. It is going to be me and a few experts. Why I chose this date, first of all, is very important. It's the 50th anniversary of Richard Feynman's cargo cult science speech, 1974 Caltech commencement speech, which later got renamed Cargo Cult Science. In that speech, Feynman was explaining what I believe to be the biggest obstacle to progress worldwide. What he was explaining was the pseudoscientific methods that scientists use, or you could say science departments, same kind of thing though, because no scientist is working on his own, at least not today. Feynman explained during his speech that we're in the scientific age, but people don't think scientifically. And in the case of, let's say, physicists, one thing they do, or physics departments, you could say, is they're willing to sacrifice the scientific integrity of their research to gain funding. And the way they gain funding is by publishing more papers. And the way they're able to publish more papers is they don't actually put in the time and effort needed to do the scientific research. So without getting into details about that, I recommend instead you go just watch his speech or just listen to our speech. Our live stream event will be a continuation of Feynman's speech, where he explained the pseudoscientific methods that scientists are using, even scientists. He was trying to say even scientists are doing it. I would say those are the least of the bad pseudoscientific methods. And the worst ones, and just to be clear about what these are, they are things that sacrifice truth seeking to gain something else, like, well, what they're gaining, what they're trying to do is discourage disobedience. And so the biggest culprits are like nations that have the death penalty for changing your religion. Worse than that, even, is like North Korea. I'm trying to get a North Korean defector to talk during our live stream on June 14th. There's countries, including the USA, that, at least in some cases, wants to treat a whistleblower as a traitor. I would like somebody, an expert in that area, to come and talk on our live stream. I'd like somebody to represent universities. A recent event that I know about that is on the same lines of logic as this is the biology departments. If you know about Brett Weinstein and his criticism of research on pharmaceutical research that involved telomeres, his criticism was silenced, and that is the same kind of thing. It is trying to prop up existing published papers by silencing criticism of them in whole batches. It's decades of research that is in question now. I would love Brett Weinstein to join me to talk about that on the live stream. So I want to show you how to get notified of this. So on our website, unitingthecults.com, go down to here, YouTube live stream link, and you can click notify once you get there. And the other thing you can do, I recommend doing both of these things, is to put your email in here, sign up. So I'll be updating you on potentially changes, but also on things that are going to happen during the event, and also reminders, which are more than just those YouTube notifications. We already have somebody uh, confirmed for the live stream event Ellie Schragenheim. He's going to be representing the business world, helping us understand the cult behaviors in the business world. And so that's it. Hope to see you on June 14th.